man. See you later. Oh, hey, you're Max, that super genius freshman kid, right? Yeah. Hey, can you do my homework this week? I got a game, so I really can't. All the training coaches put us through, you know?
No, thank you. I got enough on my plate already. I have a big test on Friday.
You're already better than me. Here, let me just pull it out. This it? Yeah, that's it. It's easy. Come on, you got it.
No, you misunderstand. I am not doing your homework. It's your grade, not mine. Understand, numbskull?
No, you don't understand. If you do not do my gemnometry homework, I am going to break all of your fingers off so hard you won't have an arm. Get it? All right, freak. It's the end of the line for you, bud. Any last words?
It's pronounced geometry. What's this thing on my nose? Why can't I see? Why am I so short? I'm in the dork's body!
Max Kyle. Oh man. Wait, so where were you dragging me?
To get some fresh air, of course.
Why didn't you drag me to the nurse's office? They probably have like a surgery or something they can do.
We can't. If we go to the nurse's office, I can't play in the game. There's gonna be scouts there, and I need that scholarship.
All right, fine. Because the generator was destroyed from you pushing me into it, or me pushing you into it, one of the two.
It doesn't matter.
Yeah. Because it was destroyed, we probably need to wait until Friday for them to fix it, so we'll have to wait till then to swap back.
So, what are you saying?
I'm saying you've got a game, and I got a test. You teach me basketball, I teach you math. Deal?
Deal.
What?
You got so much to learn, freshman. You remember how to do derivatives, right? Bring the exponent. If it's a zero, if it's a constant, very good. It's you bring it down by zero.
Okay. I trust you. You got this.
You too. All done.
This is it. Guess I'm throwing you at that thing this time.
Yeah. Max, I'm sorry for being a bully and a numbskull. Maybe this time we be friends, not foes.
Your vocabulary increased. I'm so proud.
My vocabularies?
Never mind. It's a deal.
Deal.
Brace yourself.
Kyle! Wake up! Wake up, Kyle! Come on! Come on, Kyle! Come on, Kyle! Wake up! Come on! Come on!
It worked. I'm in my body. You're in your body.